Hello and welcome to the Foodie. I'm Kunal Vijaykar. It's Diwali, the festival of light, the festival of prosperity, and the festival of celebration. And we're going to celebrate this episode with somebody who embodies the spirit of celebration with his voice. We're talking of Kunal Ganjawala, and he's having a feast with me. So let's celebrate Diwali with Kunal Ganjawala and Kunal Vijaykar. Let's go. So here is the voice that has been tugging at the heartstrings of millions of Indians. Kunal Ganjawala. Kunal
Vijaykar.
What can I say? First of all, happy Diwali to you.
Thank you. Wish you the same. Yeah.
It's a great joy meeting you. I believe you're a fellow foodie.
Absolutely. Asha ji also said once when we were touring, she sang, "Jo khane mein chor, wo gaane mein chor."
What a wonderful line.
She said Kishore Da used to love to eat. Mohammed Rafi Saab used to love to eat. Mukesh ji used to love to eat. Manara used to love to eat. Talat Saab used to love to eat. Lata ji loves to eat. Asha ji, she says, I love to eat.
So there you go. And Kunal Ganjawala loves to eat as well. I want to start off with Muh Meetha Karke.
Absolutely.
They are very unusual flavored chocolates. Desi flavor.
Oh.
You Kaju Katli hai.
Oh.
I believe that you never started off wanting to be a singer.
Absolutely.
Or not,
I didn't know I could sing. I had not the faintest idea that I could sing, and I was bullied in college.
Because you sang?
No, because I was bullied to sing.
How?
I joined the acting school. This was in the year 1990 at Elphinstone College. My college was 7 o'clock in the morning, and by 12:30 it would get over. Luke Kenny and me, he was senior to me.
Okay.
So Luke and me were waiting in the ladies' green room, and I was just dozing off to sleep because getting to college by 7 means getting up by 5:30, and suddenly I was whistling before seniors coming out of the ladies' loo, which is not a ladies' loo anymore because there are no ladies in the college at 5 o'clock. Come and then catch me by the collar and say, "Hey, what are you doing? You were whistling." I said, "Was I?" So I was kind of in that super conscious state where I must have been whistling, and which I normally do even when I come out of my bath. My wife tells me now.
You whistle.
When I wake up in the morning and I've come out of the loo, I brush my teeth, I'm having my tea, and I naturally just whistle something that I've unconsciously, completely. So I said, "Oh, yeah. They said, "Okay, great, whistle, because you're whistling really well," those seniors said. And so I said, "Oh, are you trying to bully me? Look, I have a little money, maybe I can treat you to a coffee in the canteen and some idli or whatever. Ya fir mujhe murga banao." I said, "What is this whistling and singing?" They said, "No, sing." So then 2 other guys came and said, "Hey, you bloody fresher." I said, "Okay." Then I realized, okay, now 4 guys, I don't want to be getting unnecessarily smelling their fist. So I said, okay, I'll sing. I said, "But you know what? Bad idea." And I sang.
1 minute. Do you remember what you were whistling?
Yes, I did. Ashiki had released that year.
Okay.
So it was Nazar ke saamne, jigar ke paas, koi rehta hai, wo tum. So I was whistling that, and they said sing that song only. So as I was singing that, one guy caught me from the collar and literally dragged me and said, "See, you're going to sing 15-20 days later. We have a competition in college. You have to sing." He took me to a cultural secretary who was on the same level and said, "What's your name?" I said, "Kunal." "What's your full name?" I said, "Kunal Ganjawala." "Oh, very interesting."
Interesting, sir.
Very interesting. I said, "Yeah, thank you. I've heard that before." So write his name, and he's going to sing a song called "Ek Din Bik Jayega Mati Ke Mol." Jag mein reh jayenge pyar. Raj Kapoor, Mukesh ji. And I was like, I couldn't believe that. So suddenly I go back to the canteen. Director can't come because of whatever delays. So the head of department says we'll meet next Monday or next Tuesday. I go down, and some of my friends who had just newly made 2-3 months into college said, "Where were you? Yeah, Ganja."
Ganja.
That's how I've been called from school, through college. So I said, "Well, I was waiting," and then Luke saw all this. Luke saw the ragging. So, and Luke and me then started competing for Elphinstone College and winning trophies. And we were singing Mr. Big and all. "Stand up, little girl." That song in the 90s was huge. And then he's a great dancer too. You know, he used to. So even after passing out of college, he had a false ID, and he kept winning.
He kept coming back to college.
When you're talking food, you can't lie. No,
you can't lie.
जो झूठा है वो भूखा नहीं होता.
नहीं.
So all that happened, and that's how the so-called singer in me was discovered, and I had no clue.
But that's fantastic. So from absolutely being nowhere
And not
in
knowing.
your head also that I'm going to sing, you're in front of an audience singing a Mukesh song, which is very popular in those days.
song,
Yeah,
yeah.
legendary song also. But did you then pursue
I didn't.
singing as a...
That was 90, till 92 I didn't pursue. All that happened and then suddenly Purnima, Sushma Shresht from Shivaji Park.
Of course, yeah.
She comes into Xavier's to judge me for a competition and picks me up from there and says, you have an original voice, you must come tomorrow to Film Center and meet Anand Milind. So till that afternoon, I wasn't serious about my singing. I just thought it was cool and... But that day, walking from Tardev...
You went to Film Center?
I went to Film Center and she came at 4 exactly the next day. And I went there and I saw her record for Anand Milind and that just changed my perspective and I said, wow. And I could imagine Kishore Kumar Sahab, Mukesh Ji, Rafi Sahab, all of them in that film center. So after meeting Sushma Didi took me to Louis, took me to Les, took me to Ranjit. And obviously everybody was busy and Les gave me my first jingle, the Dood, 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 Dood.
That was Les?
That was 92, 93.
Operation Flood Amul.
Absolutely.
I used to be in advertising and
I know.
Wait, we'll come to Up Flood and we'll come to your musical career as far as jingles are concerned. But I'm going to turn the conversation for a little time so that we can order food.
Yes.
We're going to have a nice vegetarian meal. The restaurant Maya at the Trident BKC has done a wonderful thali for us.
Wow.
Some starters also, starters and
please.
thali. So we'll order some food and we'll continue talking to Kunal. Starters.
Phew.
Pure
Looks
vegetarian.
good. Yes.
And I want to point out this particular one to you, okay?
Wow.
This is a dahi ka kebab. So it's dahi, but how do you make a kebab out of it?
Yeah, it's amazing.
It's got dahi
like,
inside.
Yeah. It's like having a solid curry, you know?
It is, no? Curry. Like a dahi curry, all bundled
In a
into
patty.
one kebab. In a patty.
I got my first big jingle and Juku, Rajat Dholakia.
Correct.
You know, who's a legend with drama, and then he had just got into jingles. It was phenomenal. My first job was for Juku, and Salim Suleiman had programmed that jingle.
Okay.
And Salim and Sulia from school, we were friends since we were 3 years old.
Oh, really? Okay.
Yeah, so Salim was my classmate. And we recorded that jingle in Juku's house. It was for action shoes.
Okay.
Yeah. Juta hai ya light, jute mein hai light. Kapil Dev was in the ad.
And when was that?
La la light, wo bhi shoe mein. Kaisa hai ye system? Action ka hai ye light system. Oh man.
But there was another jingle that just hit the charts.
That's right.
That's Dood Dood.
Dood. Yeah.
Everybody remembers that ad.
That's right. It kept winning awards. It was on air till 2000.
Just do 2 lines about that.
So, dood, be a glass full. Dood, hai wonderful. Pee sakte hai rose, glass full. Dood.
And you remember it?
Yeah,
All these years.
I have to sing it everywhere I go. Every interview, every college fest that I go to, they make me sing it.
Well, have some food.
Let me try the other one.
And these are potatoes stuffed with green peas.
That's the one I had.
Yeah.
You ate the galabati, yeah.
Yeah, very nice of you. So, did you at any point decide that now I need to get trained
Yes.
as a singer?
Around 93.
Okay.
So I said, a very dear friend of mine, he took me to Bharati Vidya Bhavan.
Okay.
And he said, Abhi bas kar ye herogiri, tum seekho. And he was a singer himself. And so he took me and he enrolled me in Bharati Vidya Bhavan. And I was sitting there to get enrolled and my pager beeps. And my pager beeps and I get my first jingle with Rajat Dholakia.
Okay.
So there goes my entrance to Bharati Vidya Bhavan. But then I came back a couple of days later and I enrolled and I learned from Sudhindra Bhaumik, the teacher over there, the faculty there. Then I said, no, I want to learn about the ragas, I want to learn about music, because music is very new to me, sir. Do you want to be a classical singer? I said, no, I want to be a pop film singer, pop and film. So he said, okay, then I'll train you accordingly. Which is fantastic.
Okay, I think we should get some lunch.
Why not?
On this.
Yeah.
And we've got lots to talk about after this.